close your eyes and drop down into your heart space. And when you sink into the sacred nectar of your heart space, I want you to imagine, sense, or feel that there's a beautiful, magnificent, butter yellow lotus flower in the center of your heart space. It's just this really soft yellow, pastel yellow. And you step into the lotus flower, and when you step into the lotus flower, the energy is just really soft and inviting. It's like a breath of fresh air when you step into this sacred space inside of yourself. And I invite you to take a cozy seat, and when you take a cozy seat, you notice any tension in your body is just starting to release just by being in this sacred space. And you receive a breath and breathe all the way from the bottom of your feet up to the crown of your head. And exhale. When you exhale, release through the bottom of your feet any tension that you're holding in your physical body. And on the next inhale, feel your feet root into the earth a little deeper. And when your feet roots in, imagine you're pulling energy up from Gaia through your feet, through your whole body, past your crown chakra. And on the exhale, surrender and release everything that's being held, that's low vibrating in your energy field out through your feet and into the earth, where Mother Earth can transmute it into love and light. And I want you to continue to breathe. And as you breathe, I want you to imagine that you're starting to sink deeper and deeper and deeper into the earth. And you're safe. And as you sink deeper into the earth, all the static and all the noise that's been jolting, infusing, pressing into your energy field starts to dissipate. And as you breathe, you can feel your own energy getting stronger and the collective energy starting to disappear around you. And you sink deeper into the earth. And it's almost as if you're being hugged by Mother Earth, and there's lots of space, and there's lots of love, and there's lots of light around you. And as you sink deeper, the collective completely disappears from your energy field. And you notice that you can breathe a lot more. You notice your physical body. You notice the subtle changes in temperature around your physical body, around your energy field as you sink deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper into the earth. And as you breathe, you'll eventually land in a sacred room inside of Mother Earth. This room is filled with crystalline energy, wall to wall, floor to ceiling. And this crystalline energy is to assist in releasing anything in your energy field that doesn't belong to you, anything that's sticky, or creating static, or creating any sort of nuance that is not necessary for you to receive and to have. In the crystalline energy, I want to invite you to brush your fingers across the walls of this crystalline room. And as you do it, it activates the crystalline energy. And as it activates, you'll feel yourself coming more into yourself. It's almost as if your inner being is giving you a hug. And for the first time in a while, or in a moment, You can feel your energy. You're not picking up on the collective. You're just noticing your energy. Breathe into your magnificent energy. Give yourself permission to fill up the entire room full of your energy. As the crystalline energy works its magnificent powers to continue to balance your auric field so that you can feel your own energy fully. I want you to just breathe here, and as you breathe here in this sacred space, I want you to touch the top of your head. And as you touch the top of your head, you'll notice that there's a little zipper at the top of your head. This zipper is going to allow you to unzip a layer of your energy that is no longer necessary for you to carry on anymore. This could be a pattern that's attached to this energy. It also could be anything that you've picked up along the way that's ready to be released. It could be thoughts or worries or stresses or anxieties that you've been carrying around with you that's ready to be released. So what I want you to do is I want you to take that zipper at the top of your head, and I want you to zip it down the front of your body. And then you'll step forward out of this suit that you've been wearing. And the suit will fall to the ground, and you'll emerge as a higher vibrational aspect of yourself. Toresikaratu maraha sinemutua tiakaha shinukua tiremotu tarakahi sineha. And then just feel your energy. Feel the grounded support that Gaia, Mother Earth, is gifting you here. And from that place, go ahead and ground into her even more. And as you ground into her, that layer, that bodysuit that you released, Gaia swoops it up and transmutes it into love and light. And anytime we take out energy, we have to replace it with something. So go ahead and set an intention or a prayer of what you would like to be infused with. What's your new energy? Taking a nice deep breath in, filling your lungs up. Exhaling out, feeling your heart open as you root down even more. Notice how you feel. Notice how your energy feels. Notice how your body feels. Notice your breath. And when you're ready, you'll receive a breath. And when you receive a breath, you'll inhale and you'll find yourself back in your heart space. When you exhale, you'll feel yourself ground into this reality, knowing that you can still stay unplugged. And whenever you're ready, go ahead and take a few more deep breaths and blink your eyes open when you're ready.